Exposing the magic in machine learning, let's demystify AI together. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of artificial intelligence with the Creative House Academy. Imagine having your very own digital assistant, crafting emails, generating stunning images, and even chatting with you. Sounds futuristic, right? Let's kick things off with AI writing assistants. These smart tools can help you draft the perfect email, write blog posts, or even pen a novel. It's like having a co-writer who never sleeps. Next up, AI image generators. With just a few clicks, you can create breathtaking visuals for your social media, presentations, or even personal projects. Say goodbye to stock photos and hello to unique AI-crafted art. And what about chatbots? These conversational wizards can handle customer service, answer FAQs, or just be a friendly voice when you need one. It's like having a 24/7 support team at your fingertips. So what makes all this possible? It's the magic of machine learning and neural networks, but don't worry, you don't need a degree in rocket science to get started. Here at Creative House Academy, we make AI accessible and exciting for everyone. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got the tools and tips to help you harness the power of AI. Ready to join the AI revolution? Follow us at Creative House Academy and let's explore the future together. Catch you on the next adventure into the world of AI.